Este video está en colaboración con Sergio Perez de Miami. This video is in collaboration with Sergio Perez from Miami. Okay, if you notice, this part's called the tenon, and that's the mortise. The mortise is always bigger, so the arm moves around inside. One of the things you want to learn to do is when you put, like, say, the upper right-hand corner of this tenon into the upper right-hand corner of the mortise. So, for example, if I'm doing a tan, I leave it there, which means I'm giving forward intent. If I'm not, the arm falls down. So one thing I'm going to demonstrate, I'm going to finish the rest of this tomorrow at the beach. But for instance, this gan, so this is a gan sao going out, this is a lan sao coming in. See? So it's two different motions. Some people just do this, some people just slam into it. But I need to slide down to the opponent's wrist. Sometimes the dummy represents the elbow to the wrist. Sometimes it represents the shoulder to the elbow. In this instance, someone's arm comes, I slide down to the wrist because it's weaker. I'll do the rest of this video tomorrow. One. Okay, like in the video of the wooden dummy, you have the mortise and the corner and the tenon in the corner. So this part of the wooden dummy, 1, 2, 3. So he punches. This would be bringing the arm of the dummy to the lower left-hand corner. His other punch, the biu, would be to the upper right-hand corner. Then the other punch would be here, and then I do a huge, right, and strike. Now the thing about me doing this, no one's gonna leave their arm out like that for you. Back in the old days, people used to do long strikes, so Wing Chun was made to fight the styles of that time. But if you do get the arm, this is the weakest part of the arm to push down. Here, don't let me push your arm down. I can't push his arm down. He's strong. But here, look, just with my 2 fingers, I can push his don't resist. Right? So this is the weakest part of the limb. So when you do that jut in the Silum Tao form, that jut, I use this back of my thumb as a hook. Most people are going to punch with a horizontal fist, like a boxer. So look, can you get the camera angle here? See how it hooks onto his fist? See, I lock it in there. If he does a Wing Chun punch or vertical fist, it's the same thing. I lock. So I pull, that retards him pulling it back. Then the other hand comes, I biu, right? And then the other hand comes, jut again, circle around. So just do 1, 2, 3. This is just one application, okay?